Researchers from the Fireball collaboration used CERN's HIRAD-MAT facility to create a high-density electron-positron plasma beam that simulates the astrophysical jets of matter and antimatter emitted from black holes. These experiments provide new insights into the dynamics and energy budget of black hole jets, helping validate theoretical models with empirical data. This groundbreaking work, published in Nature Communications, brings us closer to understanding cosmic phenomena like black hole jets. The James Webb Space Telescope, a collaboration between NASA, ESA, and CSA, captured an image of two overlapping galaxies 326 million light-years away, surrounded by blue stars and gas clouds. Named Penguin and Egg, these galaxies have been interacting for millions of years and are expected to merge into a single galaxy in the future. Scientists have discovered that the planet LHS 1140b is one of the most promising candidates outside our solar system for potentially harboring liquid water on its surface. This planet features a globe-spanning ocean covered in ice and a warm region facing its host star. The planet is about 1.73 times the size of Earth, with a mass 5.6 times that of Earth, orbits much closer to its star, completing a full orbit in just under 25 days. Despite its proximity, the planet orbits a cool red dwarf star within the habitable zone, providing conditions where surface water could remain in liquid form. Scientists have begun developing a spacesuit that can convert urine into drinking water. If successful, this suit could solve water scarcity issues for astronauts during future lunar missions. The prototype, intended for NASA's Artemis program, collects and purifies urine, transforming it into drinkable water within 5 minutes for astronauts using an integrated drinking hose. Designed to support extended spacewalks, this suit aims to enable prolonged human presence and work on another celestial body, as part of NASA's focus on learning to live and work on other worlds under the Artemis program. Researchers have pioneered a method to grow diamonds under low pressure and temperature, revolutionizing traditional synthetic diamond production. Unlike the typical method of using high pressure and temperature for 99% of synthetic diamonds, graduate students at the Ulsan National Institute of Science and Technology used a liquid metal alloy of gallium, iron, nickel, and silicon to grow diamonds at 1 atmosphere pressure and 1025 degrees C. This breakthrough opens up new possibilities for scientific and technological advancements and scaling up diamond growth through innovative methods. Researchers have created an extremely exotic state of matter with atoms that are 100 times larger than usual. At Tsinghua University in China, with support from TU Wien in Austria, time crystals have been created using Rydberg atoms and laser light. Unlike traditional crystals, time crystals repeat in time, displaying spontaneous periodic rhythms without an external stimulus. This groundbreaking discovery has been published in the journal Nature Physics. Researchers from UCSF and UC Davis identified a new hormone, CCN3, that strengthens bones in breastfeeding women and could treat osteoporosis and enhance fracture healing. Published in Nature, their study reveals that in mice, CCN3 increases bone density and strength. This discovery explains how breastfeeding women maintain strong bones despite losing calcium to milk production, highlighting the importance of studying both male and female animals in biomedical research. Researchers at Tel Aviv University have created a novel type of glass that is both an effective adhesive and highly transparent. This glass forms spontaneously upon contact with water at room temperature, and has the potential to revolutionize various high-tech industries such as optics, electro-optics, satellite communication, remote sensing, and biomedicine. Japanese researchers have created a method for attaching engineered skin to humanoid robots, improving their mobility, self-healing abilities, and sensory capabilities. This innovative technique, developed by Professor Shoji Takeuchi's team, involves special perforations that allow the skin to better adhere and move with the robot's mechanical parts. These advancements could significantly impact fields like medical research, cosmetic testing, and the development of more lifelike robots. Researchers in Bonn have discovered the interaction between monocytes and platelets, which enhances the inflammatory capability of monocytes. This finding could improve treatments for immune disorders. The study is published in EMBO Molecular Medicine and will be featured on the cover of the August issue. Monocytes play a key role in immune defense, and their abnormal activity can lead to severe inflammation. In 2021, a 44,000-year-old wolf carcass was discovered in the permafrost of Yakutia, Russia. Scientists believe this carcass could host ancient viruses. The freezing conditions helped preserve the Siberian wolf remarkably well. Researchers from Northeastern Federal University are studying the mummified remains to learn more about the animal. The wolf's teeth and much of its fur are still intact, and some organs are also preserved. Robert Losey from the University of Alberta called it the only complete adult Pleistocene wolf found, highlighting its uniqueness and the potential to learn about genetics, lifestyle, diet, and ancient bacteria and viruses. The wolf is likely from an extinct species and larger than modern wolves. Elon Musk's brain chip company Neuralink conducted its first human trial last year, implanting a brain chip in a patient with advanced spinal cord injury. The chip was designed to read brain signals and communicate with the motor cortex. The trial aimed to enable paralyzed patients to move again and explore the potential of brain-computer interface (BCI) technology. The initial trial successfully implanted the chip and made progress in reading brain signals. However, long-term results were not achieved due to technical challenges and biocompatibility issues. Increased temperatures during summer lead to a rise in stomach and intestinal infections. It's crucial to focus on hand hygiene and safe drinking water. Dehydration is also a concern, causing symptoms like headaches and fatigue. Food safety and personal hygiene are paramount during the summer months to prevent illnesses. Leather used in various industries from fashion to furniture is split evenly between natural and synthetic types. Besides petroleum-based synthetics, there's a rising trend in producing plant-based leather from sources like pineapple, apple, and wheat, among 18 different plants. About 65% of animal leather comes from cows. Environmental concerns and the slow degradation of synthetic leather have spurred interest in plant-derived alternatives. These materials, including mushroom and plant waste, offer sustainable options that are more biodegradable and less polluting than synthetic alternatives. As an outbreak spreads among dairy cattle in the United States, US, a fourth case of avian influenza has been detected in humans. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, announced a positive test in a dairy worker in Colorado. Since April, 3 other cases have been reported, 1 in Texas and 2 in Michigan, with individuals showing mild symptoms linked to avian influenza. The latest case was traced to close contact with infected cattle. CDC emphasized that these infections have not changed the human health risk assessment for H5N1 avian influenza.